Good morning, student. Today we will study of class 4th subject moral science. Today we will do exercise of chapter 1. A. Pick the correct answer. A. A priest was very lazy and poor. Correct option lazy. The priest got his curd by begging for alms. Correct option curd. The priest was every extremely delight and went home with the pot of milk. Correct option delighted. The poet of milk wild and the priest awoke from his daydream. Correct option boiled. The priest added a small amount of curd in the pot for connecti- converting the milk into ghee. Correct option ghee. Number B. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. Number A. One morning the priest got a pot of milk on a parts of the alms. Number 2. The the priest was extremely delighted and went home with the pot of milk. Number 3. The priest started imagining about the pot of curd while the lay asleep. I will soon have a politely poetry form of my own through the priest. The poet of milk broke and the priest awoke from his daydream. C. Answer the following question based on your imagine. Number 1. What do you think building castles in air is a good thing? I do not think building building castle in air is a good things. Number 2. How can you escape from the daydreaming? Answer B. B should work do in day. Number 3. How would you react if someone teach you to build castle in air? Answer: I would not good react. Oh. Number 4. Hard work is key of success. Explain it. We should always do hard work. Answer the following questions. Why was the priest lazy and poor? The priest was lazy and poor because he do not work hard. Number 2. What alm did the priest get one morning? One morning the priest got in pot. One morning the priest got a pot of milk. Pot of milk as a part of alms. Number 3. Whom did the priest want to marry? The priest wanted to marry from beautiful girl. What happened to the pot of milk? Answer: the pot of milk broke and he awoke his daydream. Complete your lesson. Your homework is complete exercise in copy.